Daily use sentences. म धेरै खुसी छु. I am so happy. I am so happy. म भोको छु. I am hungry. I am hungry. म ठिक छु. I am fine. I am fine. म पत्ता लगाउन कल गर्दैछु. I am calling to find out. I am calling to find out. म साँच्चै कृतज्ञ छु. I am really grateful. I am really grateful. म शाकाहारी हूँ. I am a vegetarian. I am a vegetarian. म दौड्न सक्षम छु. I am able to run. I am able to run. म पौडी खेल्न सक्छु. I am able to swim. I am able to swim. म उनीसँग रिसाएको छु. I am angry with her. I am angry with her. म पीटर जतिकै अग्लो छु. I am as tall as Peter. I am as tall as Peter. म सबै समय व्यस्त छु. I am busy all the time. I am busy all the time. म अहिले व्यस्त छु. I am busy at the moment. I am busy at the moment. म मेरो गृह कार्यमा व्यस्त छु. I am busy with my homework. I am busy with my homework. म तिमीमा निर्भर छु. I am depending on you. I am depending on you. म तिमीलाई देखेर खुसी छु. I am glad to see you. I am glad to see you. म केही समयको लागि बाहिर जाँदैछु. I am going out for a while. I am going out for a while. म जागिर खोज्दैछु. I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job. म कोठा खोज्दैछु. I am looking for a room. I am looking for a room. म डॉक्टर होइन. I am not a doctor. I am not a doctor. म तिमीलाई डिस्टर्ब गरिरहेको छैन. I am not disturbing you. I am not disturbing you. मलाई मेरो छोरामा गर्व छ. I am proud of my son. I am proud of my son. म सुरु गर्न तयार छु. I am ready to start. I am ready to start. म सबै कुरामा सन्तुष्ट छु. I am satisfied with everything. I am satisfied with everything. म पैसा बचत गर्दैछु. I am saving money. I am saving money. म तिमीलाई डिस्टर्ब गर्न माफी चाहन्छु. I am sorry to disturb you. मलाई मेरी आमामा धेरै गर्व छ. I am very proud of my mother. I am very proud of my mother. म तिमी भन्दा अग्लो छु. I am taller than you. I am taller than you. म यो हफ्ता धेरै व्यस्त छु. I am very busy this week. I am very busy this week. म धेरै दुखी छु. I am very sad. I am very sad. म सुत्न खोज्दैछु. I am trying to sleep. I am trying to sleep.